Assalamualaikum, Madam Sir. How are you? I'm Gemma Negro, 36 years old, from Philippines. Uh, Married with 2 kids and college level schooled in the Philippines. My working experience in Kuwait as domestic helper for 2 years, and I know the house cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, wash the dishes, and taking care of the baby. I know also some Arabic food like magluba, kabsa, chicken in the oven, biryani, robian, and I know how to make patayar, uh, bechamel. I know how to do cake also, and ajina and Arabic coffee. I hope you like me, Madam Sir. Thank you.